I'm gonna have to call her back.
Oh, what should I tell her this time?
Tell her Buster Moon is out to lunch. Take care of her, will you? She may look old and rusty, but she is a classic. Okay, listen, we both know that my theater's been going through some pretty rough times lately, but as the saying goes, for every cloud, a silver lining. We've got...
Hold on right there, Buster. My dad, he heard I was going to see you today, and he was all like, Eddie, you tell that koala I'm not funding any more of those shows, and that's final. Those were his words.
Well, your dad's right. Those shows were the problem. War of attrition. Rosie takes about... I mean, nobody wants to see that stuff anymore. So, what do?
Quit?
No. I give them a show they cannot resist, which is gonna be... just one more minute, s'il vous plaît. Merci.
Don't speak French. They speak English here.
Now, my next show is gonna be, drumroll please, a singing competition.
A singing competition? Who wants to see another one of those?
Everyone. Or just think. Your neighbor, the grocery store manager, that chicken, right there. Everyone in the city gets a shot at being a star live on my stage.
Buster, this is a terrible idea.
Oh, no, it's not. Real talent from real life. That's what audiences want, and I'm gonna give it to them.
All right, look. Can we please just get out of here?
Don't you want to eat?
Yeah, but we can't afford any of this.
Yes, I know, and that's why I brought sandwiches.
That's not allowed. Ugh.
What, you don't like peanut butter and jelly?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Look, I got cream cheese. I got banana...
You okay?